So it's day 2 of the blizzard, and as you can see here, it's sunny, but the temperature is still minus 13 degrees Celsius. So let's not expect the snow to melt so quickly. There's ice all around, but still the snow plows and the snow blowers have done a fantastic job to keep the pavements and the streets really clean. Pooja has been spending quite some time in clearing the snow from our car, and I'm going to join her soon. While Athar is busy climbing his own Mount Everest. Athar, what are you? You're stuck in the mountains, Athar? Mom helped you? Why are you not helping mom? Athar, are you climbing Mount Everest?
Yes.
Okay, let me show me how you climb Mount Everest.
Dad, can you please help me?
How do you want me to help you? To climb the Mount Everest, I need to help Mama because she's been struggling for a long time and I need to help her. She's been helping clear the snow outside the car, okay? Can I help her? Can we all help her? All right, let's help her.
Whoa!